And this goes into making ourselves feel great. Our space, our environment is very important, and we must make sure we upkeep it, we clean it, we refresh it. HomeGoods is not just a fashion statement going there with your Starbucks, although I had my Starbucks, okay? It's also about seriously taking the time to invest in your space and not just your face. Boom, I didn't plan that. I didn't plan that. It ripped. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from HomeGoods. All right, I think this is better. Oh Lord, well if not, it's recording. All right, I went to HomeGoods and Ulta today after I left the gym. I was like, I need to go and get my stuff for my house because I will get stuff for my health, and of course I'm shopping and getting stuff. You know, I just did a great shopping at Maxwell. When I say great shopping, I mean the price tag. And I also went shopping, you know, at the mall the other day with my daughter, and yeah. So I've been getting a few extra things, and I'm, you know, enjoying being a girl. But on top of that, I like to make sure my house is looking nice and fresh. So I'm gonna always change up my things when I have to. First thing is my pillows. So I got these pillows. These are Laura, what's the name? Laura Ashley. Laura Ashley pillows. Because I need to switch out my pillows. So I got these. And they feel so comfortable and nice. So I got two pillows. And I got only me new pillows because I just bought my daughter and my son new pillows. So these are mine. $30 for the two of these. So that wasn't bad at all. The next thing I got is shower curtain. So I usually buy the hookless shower curtains from Amazon or from Bed Bath & Beyond when it was like there. I used to get it from Bed Bath & Beyond when that company was still around. I don't think it's still around, right? Anyway, so I used to get the hookless curtains from there, and then I started getting it from Amazon. But now I wanted to like start with the linen shower curtain. I just like that look better. So I got this 72 by 72 inches. And this is the DKNY Pure. And I paid $30 for these. So this is washed waffle stripe. 100% cotton. So I'm excited to put these up. And I will definitely... Do you hear Kaden? I will definitely show you guys how it looks when I'm done putting it up in my bathroom, so you guys can see. Ow. Let me open it. Child, listen. Instead of this, look. This is my problem. Why I gotta always take the hard way to open something? Like forever since I was a kid. Like when I'm opening something, I'm always like struggling. There's a scissor right there. I don't understand. Anyways, so this is it. Ooh, I'm excited to put this up. I definitely have to wash it first. But yeah, so this is the shower curtain I got. Next, I got new bath towels for me, Chloe, and Kaden. I like to change out bath towels very often. Like, not just wash it very often, but like throw them away. Because it's like drying up my body. So that's just how I feel about it. This is for Chloe because she loves like green. So this is they didn't have like a green towel, like a nice sage. They only had them in packs. So I got this one that has the white and the green in it. I got Kaden, of course, a blue towel because that's his favorite color. And I got myself, do you hear this boy in the background? And I got myself a cream with like this little brown two stripes on the end of it. And yeah, so this is what I like. I like towels that are either white, ivory, cream. I don't like dark colors, except if it's my clothes. Like my favorite color is black, but not on things. Like I said that in my last video. If you guys go watch my video that I posted about their environment and making how my environment is, like even my curtains, they're like a cream ivory color. Like that's what I like around to brighten up my world. The towels were $10 each, and the shower curtain, I think I said it was $30. So these are some just towels for the kitchen towels. They were $8. They came 3 in a pack. I like the sage green color for the kitchen. So if it's not sage green, that's it. That's all I like. Next I got, oh, which is one of the main reasons I went to HomeGoods, a new set of sheets. My bed is queen sized. It's just me. So, and it's a Mark New York 4-piece sheet set. I got this. This was $40. And you see, it's like a cream color, cream whitish ivory color. That's the color I go with. So I'm excited about that. Oh, let me just feel it. Guys, let's feel it. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it tonight. It's going up on my bed tomorrow. I got Scrub Mommy. And this was 3 of them for $7, which is great because it's like I think $4 or $5 for one in Target. So I got that. Then I needed new sink strainers. This was 2 for $6. These are the hooks I got for the shower curtain, and this is $8. They're silver. So, yep. I also got stainless steel wipes because of my stainless steel appliances. This was $5. I have this same Wyman spray, and it's almost done. And I didn't see the spray because I always get it from HomeGoods. I don't know. I always get it from HomeGoods. So I just got the wipes. Oh, and I had recently bought one of these for my bathroom from Amazon, and it was like $20. This was $10 and it smells better. Why am I shopping at Amazon all the time? Like I need to, my friend tells me this all the time. You need to go to the stores. And I think I got too lazy. Do I want to say lazy? I think it's lazy. When it comes to shopping, I need to go to the stores because you find better deals going to the stores sometimes. I'm just saying, like, this is proof of that. But this is a peony, lovely peony smell, Cocoa D'Or signature. And this is $10. And this is a reed diffuser. So because I just bought that one, I'm going to take that one, close it up, and take it to work and for my bathroom at work for... Yeah, this one is nice. I like this one. I mean, that one is good too, but I just really like this one. New bathroom rugs. This was 2 for $30. Like, I needed this. I'm trying to find the links. Oh, it's a 17 by 24 and a 20 by 32 inch. Okay, this is white. Like, I'm trying to see if it doesn't say the exact color, but it's white. Yeah, so this is 2 for $30. I needed some new bathroom rugs because I like white. So even if I wash it all the time and I wash it in with bleach and all that, still over time you need to change your rugs. And that's all I got from HomeGoods, and that bill came up to like $2 something for all of this. So that was pretty good because these are things that obviously that are gonna look for another year that I'll have. until I switch it out again, because I change out my towels like every 6 months. My pillow, I think it's supposed to be every 6 months, but I do it every year just because. Where I coming from? My bath rugs is like twice a year. I switched it out. My sheets twice a year. So yeah, that's that for now. And my shower curtain. I'm so excited to put on my shower curtain. I'll try the linen. I never had linen, so try it and see how that goes. I went to Ulta just for my O'Shea. I love this oil. I got the smaller one twice before, and the smaller one is $52. This big one is $84, and it is worth every penny. Okay? And I'm going to treat this like gold. No one touches this. My daughter, I got her for her birthday. I also got that from Ulta, but it wasn't for me, right? I got her for her birthday the Saltaire spray, body oil, body butter, body wash set for her birthday because she loves Saltaire, and I get it for her all the time. So that's the brand I get for her. So I got her the whole set. I usually just get her the deodorant and the body wash, but I got her the body butter and the oil and the spray now, for her birthday. So I got that and this, and I also got her a lip oil, the fat oil lip oil. She's turning 10. She's a mini me, so she's into all these little cute things. So yeah, I'm so excited about my O'Shea. Well, thank you guys for tuning into my little haul from HomeGoods. Listen, this goes into making ourselves feel great. Our space, our environment is very important, and we must make sure we upkeep it, we clean it, we refresh it. HomeGoods is not just a fashion statement going there with your Starbucks, although I had my Starbucks, okay? It's also about seriously taking the time to invest in your space and not just your face. Boom! I didn't plan that. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please do not hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.